Hello, welcome to another episode of Scent Air Manila Vlog. And before we continue, please let me convince you to like, share, and subscribe sa ating mga social media accounts, especially dito sa YouTube kasi that would really help sa algorithm game. Today, magre-review tayo ng isang pabango na hindi naman kamahalan, hindi din ganun kalakasan, pero palag na palag sa pabanguhan. Let me introduce to you Eclat by Lanvin. Sir, meron po ba kayo ditong Eclat? Alam mo, dati ganun ko siya pinopronounce sa utak ko. And then, I research kung paano nga ba siya tamang sabihin. The proper pronunciation or the most Filipino way that we can say it is Eclat. Let's discuss the facts about this perfume. Lanvin, that's how you pronounce it. Lanvin Eclat Pour Homme was launched in 2015 and the perfumer behind this scent is Sonia Constant. Kung halimbawang hinihingi nyo to as pangregalo, it's very important na sabihin nyo na may Pour Homme and may Pour Femme. Although, madali naman i-distinguish kung alin doon ang panglalaki at pangbabae dahil they come in a very clear case na madali nyo malaman kung alin ang bottle na pangbabae at ang panglalaki. Ang main selling proposition ng pabangong to dito sa Pilipinas ay gamit siya ni Daniel Padilla. Ito yung signature scent niya. So ako din, that's the reason why I got curious about this scent. So ano kaya ang amoy ni Daniel Padilla? So ito yon. When it comes to presentation, unlike the female version that has 30 ml, this only comes in a 100 ml bottle. So I wish there was a bigger one kasi perfect to pang everyday. But I think for now, we'll settle for 100 ml. Lagay ko na lang dito sa screen kung ano yung mga notes niya. Here are the top notes. Here are the mid notes. And lastly, the base notes. Para sa pinaka-importante, punta na tayo sa scent. From the get-go, based dun sa mga notes na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina I was kinda expecting na there would be a heavy amount of citrus scent that would welcome me, pero immediately, kukunin yung attention nyo ng floral notes and parang traces of citrus na lang ang maaamoy nyo. So, if you're curious if this gives off a girly scent, well, no. I think unisex to at most, but definitely this would give you a good boy scent. Imagine yourself na naka white polo, palabas ng simbahan at super tirik ng araw. This projects and gives you a very uplifting and clean vibes. Ito yung tipong pagsuot mo, para kang good boy and you will be definitely recommended by 9 out of 10 moms. When it comes to wearability, this is a citrusy, more floral note. So this would shine in a daytime setting, outdoor setting, or as I am recording this video, it's summer, so this is the perfect weather or climate that this perfume would really shine. When it comes to performance, this lasts in my skin, siguro mga 3 to 4 hours lang, but I really don't mind respraying. So, this projects fairly. Siguro pag nahanginan ka, that's the only time that you will be, that you would be smelled by someone, but definitely this is not something na talagang nanununtok ng ilong or a beast performer. Pero lagi ko tong sinusuot sa gym kasi ang pinaka-favorite part ko about this perfume is whenever I spray it sa sa clothes. And then, whenever I do siguro cardio, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na nagpo-project siya. Nakaka-good vibes. Di ba kanina sinabi ko na I really don't mind respraying this kasi mura siya. Okay, compared to other designer fragrance, this is relatively less expensive. So, kung sa mall, makikita nyo to around siguro mga 5,000 pesos na talagang it's really crazy. But kung makahanap kayo sa Facebook ng legit seller, it would cost you siguro mga 2,000 to 2,500 is a fair amount. Kung makakita kayo ng less than 2,000, grab it. Kung sure naman kayo na original or legit seller yon, grab it because that is definitely a steal. For my observation and final thoughts na din siguro about this perfume, like I told you, I sell perfume and this is the very, 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 very first perfume na nabenta ko. So talagang mabenta siya sa Facebook. And whenever ito yung ino-order sa akin, tuwing nasa transit shop, patungo dun sa buyer, lagi ako kinakabahan kasi it comes in a crystal box. Okay, so kung first time nyo bumili or bibili ng pabango na to, be very, very careful. Always remember to open it or unwrap it. Kasi isang plastic lang yung nag-hold dun sa crystal box na yun eh. So, it's very important for you to open this sa isang lamesa. Kasi may tendency bumagsak yung pabango. So, instead of you're having a new perfume reward for yourself, baka mapernada pa. So, open it sa lamesa. Since nga super mabenta siya sa Facebook is madalas siya nagkakaubusan. So, pag may nakita kayo, huwag na kayo magdalawang isip kasi chances are mabilis siyang mabenta. If you think that this perfume will give you a girly scent, no, hindi. Otherwise, kung hindi kayo fan ng florals, don't get this perfume. Otherwise, this is good. Ako ayoko sabihin na it's a safe blind buy kasi wala naman talagang safe blind buy. But this one is a blind buy sa sarili ko dahil na-curious ako kung ano amoy ni Daniel Padilla and hindi ako nagsisi. This is a dumb reach. Kung wala kayong maisip na pang everyday, maybe this perfume is perfect for you. Okay, so please, ayan, mas hindi na ako tense sa pagre-review. So please, 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 let me remind you to like, share, and subscribe to my channels, to my social media accounts. Please, 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 please. Until next episode.